Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to use on-screen keyboard in your PC or laptop. So guys, sometimes we are so far from our keyboard, but we need to use keyboard, and in this time we can use our on-screen keyboard. So how can we use our on-screen keyboard? So we just need to go on this search bar and then type just on screen keyboard. Just type on screen keyboard, and here you can see there have an option. So open on this. So here you can see on screen keyboard already opened. Now you can type anything from here. You can use this as your keyboard. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.